Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll and find Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 14 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera and phone manager. So basically to check some further details you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Of course, you can go to the previous week and you can check the apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. And another way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings or camera or whatever app you've got here. And after that, after entering it, again, you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, here you've got some ways to disconnect. So for example, we've got app limits, and if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, you can simply find it in this list and then tap on this hourglass icon and then set the limit. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it will be limited after 30 minutes of the usage. So it means that you can only use it for 30 minutes during one day. And after at midnight, your device will reset the app limit, and again it will be 30 minutes. Of course, you can set it on 0 hours and 0 minutes, and it will immediately block the app, and it will be set. The app limiter will be set. So it's quite nice option to use. And another one is, for example, the focus mode. So for example, you can select some distracting apps like the camera, phone manager or Chrome, or whatever app is distracting for you. Just mark them. Here you can set a schedule, so you can choose specific time and specific days of the week, then tap on set, and after that your device will, and after tapping on turn on, of course, your device will block the notifications from those apps. It will hide it, so you will have a time to rest, for example, to, I don't know, to work, to study. You will have a time for your family, and you will not be distracted by those notifications. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.